Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by locking the niche and minimal assets so you can publish immediately. Choose a study music subgenre and select 1 to 3 clean, loopable tracks. Once done, prepare a static image or short animated loop for visuals. Make sure to register and verify your channel, upload a clear logo, and a simple banner that communicates study focus. You do this now because early clarity speeds production and avoids rebranding later, which kills momentum. You move into production by polishing audio. Normalize levels, add gentle fades, and remove clicks or hums. Export high-quality MP3 or AAC at 128 to 320 kbps. Once polished, render both long-form 6-8-hour loop files and shorter 20 to 60-minute mixes for variety. When uploading, optimize metadata, clear title, 5 focus tags, and a 150 to 300-word description. You finish by establishing a consistent schedule. Aim for 2 to 3 uploads weekly and rotate between long ambient hours and shorter mixes to capture different viewers. Promote using playlists, short clips for social platforms, and simple collaborations with study or productivity channels to grow reach. If something goes wrong, like a copyright claim, first isolate the sample, swap, or remove the problematic section, then dispute only when you have clear ownership. Make sure to keep backups to re-edit quickly and avoid downtime.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.